Luxshare Precision Industry Co. is making significant strides in the global tech industry. With its latest expansion in production capacity for Apple Inc. products, this move not only signifies a deepening bond between Luxshare and Apple, but also marks Luxshare's rise as a major player in the tech manufacturing arena. The acquisition of a 62.5% stake in Pegatron's Kunshan unit positions Luxshare against Foxconn, Apple's main manufacturing partner, indicating a strategic shift in Apple's approach to its China-based suppliers. This development has far-reaching implications for the international business landscape, potentially altering global tech manufacturing strategies and supply chain dynamics. As Luxshare cements its role in Apple's supply chain, the tech world watches closely to see how this will impact financial trends and global supply chain tactics. Luxshare's ambition to become a key player in global tech manufacturing is clear, and its evolving relationship with Apple is a development that holds significant implications for the tech industry worldwide.